Today I'm going to be showing you InVideo promo code, guys. So in this particular video you're going to be learning the promo codes that you can use and get discount for your InVideo account. So you can see if you want to purchase an annual plan, this is going to be helping you to get 30% off, which is a really nice of an offer. So to show this coupon, let's just click onto this option, and here it is. So uh, of course a few of you guys are going to be only be able to use this, so I'm going to be revealing a couple of them but not all. So what you can do is simply head over to their platform, and you can see we have a couple of coupons showing up, so make sure to try them out and get particular codes with particular different discounts. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.